Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Always glad to see you as usual. Today we are not actually building anything. Today we have a product to check out. This is a American MRE. I'm not sure what it stands for exactly. I guess it's like ready to eat something for the army. One of my subscribers actually sent me this to check out. And I think it's a pretty cool thing. I have never tried any of these before and I'm really excited to open it up. I didn't watch any videos on YouTube about this thing. This is the first time I'm gonna try ready-to-eat meal. This is menu number 14, creamy spinach fettuccine, bellissima. Doesn't get more Italian than this. It says Department of Defense, United States of America. Pretty small package and it's quite light. I think you can carry quite a few of those in your backpack. Let's crack it open. Quite easy to open, but it was a very good seal. Let's see. So we have a little pack like this. This looks really cool. Second packaging. Quite a lot of stuff here. I didn't expect it to be so much stuff. Yeah, let's know it. Peanut butter. Yes. So this is what you get in a package. We have this green bag. I'm guessing that's the main meal bag. Yeah, creamy spinach fettuccine. Excuse my French. We have pretzel nuggets, honey mustard and onion flavor. We have a bag with some chewing gum, sugar, C probably, and some other little things. Oh, this is actually quite cool. I think we can heat up the meal with this thing. I have to try this out. It's really interesting. We have a chocolate protein drink, cran raspberry flavored First Strike Nutritious Energy Bar. We have some peanut butter and some crackers. And the last one is a spoon. So first of all, I think we can heat up the meal. It looks like this. There is a little instruction how to use it. This stuff looks pretty simple. So you remove the top, you put the meal inside. So then you have to fill it with a little bit of water. Do not overfill, and I think I overfilled it first go. Perfect execution. Then you have to close it and put it inside this thingy. Like so. You have to incline it a little bit, so 1, 2, 3 block works great. So while this is heating, we can check out what we have in this little bag. We have a little pack of salt, some tissues. I think this is wet tissue. Creamer. I'm not sure what that is. I guess that's maybe some like dry milk for coffee or tea or something like that. We have a little pack with coffee, a couple of chewing gums if you go on a date after this meal, a little pack with matches, that's quite nice, and a sugar. I want to open up these pretzel nuggets, honey mustard and onion flavor. Let's see. Yeah, we have some nice little pretzels. Yes. These are real good. I have to bring those home and give it to my girl. She's gonna love them. You guys know stuff about food. Anyways, let's check out the Nutritious Energy Bar. It's very well sealed. Smells like health. No, but really smells like berries and fruits. It's very hard. It's so good. This is delicious. This stuff is so damn good. This must be this is the best fruit bar I've ever had. It looks like this. I gotta keep some for my GF. She would love to try this. I think this must be ready to eat. It's actually quite hot. Wow. Yes, it's very hot. Can you see the steam? Oh, nice, it's so warm. I have this Belgium Army pot. I think it's gonna work great together with all this stuff. It doesn't look super, you know, like the food at home. I'm sure you can just eat it from the bag, but I just want a little bit a little bit of this kind of stuff. Creamy spinach fettuccine, which is perfect because I'm a bit of a vegetarian, so I don't eat meat. Let's see what we have here. It's quite warm. The taste is really good. I have some throwbacks to the days when I was in Italy. Great time. It's very tasty, but it's kind of a fast food tasty, if you know what I mean. I think it's such a good food for the situation where you actually need this kind of food. I thought it's gonna be kind of maybe tasteless or anything, but it's perfectly well balanced and really tasty meal. I can feel the spinach, I can feel the cheese very good. We have a bit of mushrooms here. I don't know, I'm so bad at this. I just really like all of this stuff. I think it's great. I can actually feel a tiny bit of gorgonzola or something like this. So good, man. And I'm gonna finish it off with a protein drink and a cracker with a peanut butter. Man, I love peanut butter. I'm really excited to try this out. Let's open up the shake, protein drink, I mean. Let's take some water, fill it up. Obviously, I put too much and then you shake it. I hope it's not gonna fly all over my clothes. Shake it well. I think maybe you can just drink it from the bag, just like this. But before I open it up, I want to crack open the crackers. I'm wondering how long you can store this kind of food. I have no idea. It's quite thick, I guess because it's very cold in my shop today. I actually prefer peanut butter with bits, but creamy is good as well. Let's have it. It's a class, peanut butter. I like it. The shake. Let's get some protein after those pull-ups. Check it out. Looks like this. Let's try it. It tastes like your regular protein drink with chocolate. It's very tasty. I like it. I'm not sure how healthy it is, but I could definitely eat a lot of these things. But I'm not going to if I don't have to. I feel like I'm getting spoiled here. And after the meal, you can take one of those moist tissues and get yourself together. Not gonna lie, this was absolutely delicious. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be so good. I think this must be the first proper meal I've had here in the shop. I'm gonna keep the matches, the real American matches. And I think this must be it for today's video. Let me know what do you think in the comments. Would you like more of this kind of stuff? If you want to send me something to try, just message me and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching again. I'm gonna go share this with my love and take care. Bye.